Hello friends, I'm Techie and today I have brought a new function, that is conditional formatting in Google Sheet. So what is meant by that? This means if you are going to produce your sheet in the formatted way, or using some rules that can be applied on the Google Sheet, this is done through the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is basically the rules which can be applied on the text, which can be applied on the cells, which can be applied on the entire sheet, you can say. So what to do to if you want to apply the conditional formatting? So conditional formatting is basically the set of rules which a user creates. So how to create the rule for your sheet? Just have a look on this. So this is the sheet and I want to turn the color of the text into red if the marks of the particular column are less than equals to 15. So I am selecting this column, that is chemistry column, and here if the marks are less than equals to 15, they should be turned into red. For that you should do this format and select the conditional formatting to apply the rule. The rule is, we can select any of the tab like single color or color scale. I am choosing single color and here I am selecting the range. So my range is like I want to select the chemistry column. So chemistry column begins from here and till this place, and select OK. So this is the range selected, and after that you will have to frame a rule. So my rule is that I want to turn the marks into red if they are less than equals to 15. Less than or equals to 15. And you have seen many rules are there and you can select any one as per your requirement. So I wanted that the color of the cell, color of the text should be in red if the marks are less than equals to 15. So I have selected the rule that is less than or equals to 15, and I see here the cell colors are changed and I do not want to change the colors of the cell. So I'll click none here because I wanted to change the color of the text. So I want to change the color of the text this way, and as soon as I use this rule, the marks which are less than equals to 15 are turned into red, and press done. So one rule is created. The one rule is created. So there see there are so many rules and I don't want, so delete them here like this, and I created only one rule here for F2 to F41. So this way we can apply a conditional formatting. This is not only we can turn the color of the text into red. We can apply more conditional formattings. You can change the color of the cell. You can change the color of the names of the students. So there are so many kind of conditional formatting available. So you can apply anything. So this way we can use conditional formatting in Google Sheet. Thank you.